Hey guys, Chevy here again. I'm up here at my dad's picking up some motors, and he's got this new, I can't remember what year this is. What, 70? 71? That's pretty cool. 6,500, so what is that? Ton and a half? Thing's massive. Somebody's put a late model bed on it. It's got a 366 big block in it. Stick shift. Can't get in. Anyways. We're gonna pour some gas in the carburetor. Gonna hook a hose up to the fuel pump down there and stick it in a can. See if we can't get it to start up.
I need a pair of pliers.
Oh yeah, I got some up here. Those work?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, got a 2-speed rear end in it. Yep. Be a serious bummer to run into that. Holy cow. You got keys for it?
Yeah, they're on the dash.
Oh, okay.
I had tried unlocking the door because I thought that might be the problem.
Okay, so we got our hose in, stuck in this jug here down to the fuel pump. Well, my dad did it, but I got the battery in there. Yeah, probably a good start. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna pull this air cleaner off. Wow, it's like a Chinese or Russian doll. Yeah, it's definitely an oil bath. That is super rude. I can't even get it off there. I'm just gonna make a mess. It's gotta happen. Stupid oil bath. I got it everywhere. Okay. Okay, you got a little sauce down the hole. Probably have to give the old points of sanding, huh? Oh, good. It's spinning over better the more it spins over. Oh, the carburetor's leaking gas everywhere.
I can only imagine. A throttle lever.
Holy cow. Oh yeah, probably got a PTO for the hydraulics, huh?
Vacuum gauge in the dashboard.
That's awesome. Okay guys, I got the cap off. I'm gonna sand the points. I don't think it's getting any spark. Talking to the camera. I'm just messing with you.
Well, I got the brake pedal to boot and it went all the way to the side.
Oh, perfect. can't even see the points down in there. This distributor's got a lot of stuff in it. Well, I got it back on. Go ahead and give it a try. There we go. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. You're not gonna. Yeah, it's just shooting gas out of the back bowl vent all over the distributor.
I see the car out of my window.
Yeah, that's, yep. I don't know if it stopped or not. I was beating on it.
Well,
it runs.
yeah.
Motor actually sounds decent. Well, that's cool. Not squirting anything, so. Ooh, we're on fire though. Shut it off, shut it off. Huh. That was exciting. Got it out. Yeah, that well guys, done up at my dad's. That was exciting. Loaded up a couple motors. I don't know. Should have been able to see him back there in the bed. Got plans for the one short block. He's got a set of World product heads up there that have a broken runner. I'll weld it up. Ring and bearing that 60 over 350 back there. That'll be a really good one for the Suburban. It's balanced. Nothing special, but be a lot better motor than a stock one. We'll do cam in it and those World product heads. Decent intake manifold. Should run pretty good, like 250 horse or maybe a little more. Be better than nothing. I think it's got like 150 horse now. That thing's a turd. But anyways, just figured I'd make an outro. Got Willie over here, relaxing. And as always, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it if you guys take the time to like and subscribe while you're here. That helps get the videos out there. Just trying to get these out here, so anytime you guys share or subscribe and like, I really appreciate it. Have a good one. What's up guys? Chevy here again. I'm at the shop. It's Friday night, but my dad gave me a couple motors. I went and picked them up and got to unload them. Let's see what we got here. Make a plan. Maybe tear down Chris's motor tonight. I don't know. Got this one over here still. Turbo motor over there. Motor out of the Caprice there. 2 more motors there. My buddy Aaron gave me that motor. Got motors everywhere. What do we got? 6 small block Chevys in here now? I got at least 4 at the house still. The Booger Hook still has one in it. The Suburban has one. Now we got like 8 small blocks around here. That seems kind of silly. Nah, that's okay. Anyways, I'll get this out. Maybe we'll do a live again tonight. I don't know. If you guys on the YouTube aren't on the Facebook group, you're missing out. I do a lot better job on there than I do on here. People actually look at that. But make sure you hop over there and check it out. And if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. We'll make this a real thing one of these days, and that really helps. Well, I got one of those hogs unloaded over there next to the wall. We'll get this last one unloaded. Dang, that's kind of loud. Gotta steal the chain off of that. I can't believe I didn't do it. Oops. Just gotta put the chain on here so we can get it out of the back of the truck. That should be enough. That ain't gonna work. I have to move that for sure. Can't hook the engine stand to that. Can't hook the engine stand to it if the chain's where the engine stand goes. It sucks. Guess I'll go to the starter hole. Yep, can do. Starter hole. There we go. One more again. Come on. Gonna work. Two more agains. Holy crap. Probably gonna be worse now. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm new. I can work with that. Remember when I tried? Oh, hooked that up backwards though, didn't I? Good job, man. Like I said, I'm new. Alright guys, I keep this depriving you of prime content, but I got this one out. Got all the bolts in it. I guess you saw me get it out, but found bolts. I found two that were too long, put some spacers on them, but that'll work. Got it slid in this engine stand here. Just seen that my, oh, it just popped the plug out. That's fine. It'll be fine. This rust is not a big deal. I'm gonna set this down. Doing a little wheelie over there. Oh, it's an ad right now, but Cletus and James are building jet boats. You guys are lunatics. It's too many hobbies to have. I'm all for lots of hobbies, but holy cow. Oh geez, that was a terrible idea. Cool, that one's out. And on the stand, so maybe I'll tear it apart, maybe not. We'll see. Still a little bit again. Yeah, right. No.